1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I'll make a wish.
Yeah.
Oh, yay! Woo!
Open your gifts. Open your gifts.
Oh, my gift?
Yes, all of those are yours. No, the last. That will be the last. We'll go from the small. Okay, that comes from the 3 girls.
And
From the 3 girls, from Danisha, Ati Dina.
I know one. I know one. What is that?
Just break it.
Just break it, Ken. Just break everything.
I know which one. It's that.
I think so, yeah. No.
Yes. What's that?
Cool.
Cool. Okay, put it there.
Okay, put it
Open
there.
your Gifts.
On the floor.
No,
Yeah,
put it
yeah.
here on the table.
Here.
Take out your time, Danisha.
Oh, I know what's that.
Okay, go.
Is that?
Go. That's from Danielle and Danisha Indes also.
It's
Take
that.
out. Just break it, Kian.
Just break it, Ken. Ang tagal eh. Yan.
I know how to break it. Just rip the.
I like. Just rip it.
I love
Yeah, rip it.
Rip it. Rip all of it.
Because that's how you open gifts.
Yeah, there you go.
Yes, you go.
the fun of a cut.
So you have your own cup
You have your own cup.
here. Okay, go. Okay, you open that.
Like the turtle.
Okay, Mom, maybe.
Just rip it. Just rip it.
From the middle.
Right there. Just rip it like that.
Yeah,
Sige.
go.
Ayaw pumunit ng papel.
Like this. Rip from both sides.
Ayaw mapunit ng papel.
I know how.
Ayun.
Yes. Because it's just a piece of
Open it. Hurry up, Kian. You don't have all day.
Oh, because...
Just rip it open. Jesus. Oh.
There you
Sirain mo.
There you go. Okay. open
Pencil.
the rest.
Hey, so it means there is now.
There you go. What's that?
It's Incarnate and Pinflop.
Okay, open the other one.
and Pinloop.
That's from Danisha and Desiree also, I think, right?
Wait, rip it like this. Like I was ripping a paper. Yeah. Then it's like this. And then rip the tree.
What's that?
Careful, doesn't want the cake, honey.
Oh, there it's.
Ooh.
What is it?
Oh, it's like something you can silip. Parang telescope.
Oh.
Parang ano. Okay, cool.
This one Grandma and Pops gave you.
Grandma.
This one you have to watch the face.
Grandpa. Him.
Not Grandpa, Pops. Grandpa ka na lang
He doesn't want to be called that.
Oh, it's a Pokemon. It's a Dragon Ball. Oh, cool.